And right here in front of me is a construction project, a massive construction project that's been going on for some time. And they're putting in new flash flood pipes and sewer pipes and so forth. There was what was called a keun a few years ago, which was a huge rain, 600 millimeters of rain in around 24 hours. And the effect on Seoul was just catastrophic. There were mudslides on the mountain just around a kilometer behind me, which killed some people. There was a mudslide that came crashing down a mountain and slammed into some apartment buildings and just scooped out the apartment buildings on the lowest floor. In order to handle that kind of situation, the city built sort of flood breaks and so forth on the mountain, but they're also doing a lot of upkeep on the sewage pipes, and that's what this construction project is about here now. And after a keun, after one of those really big rainfalls, this is what it's like, except even more torrential. What happened today was a fairly typical rainstorm, and the area that I'm standing on during the keun event was flooded as well. As you can see up here, the bike trail is somewhat accessible, but it gets flooded further up. And during the keun, everything was flooded up to a point of around 2 meters above where the water level is right now.